friends. Let me say hi, friends.
Hi.
Hi, friends. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. You know, you might as well. Like, most likely you've already seen our channel, so you might as well. I'm here with Journey, and we're gonna have a sushi mukbang. I actually really had no idea what we were gonna do with this mukbang, but I decided to buy a whole bunch of rolls, and it's just me and Journey today. All the other kids are still at school. They're doing after school programs. But first, before we dig in, I'm gonna let you guys know what we got. I got mango delight,
Dragon,
Philadelphia roll,
and then the dragon.
This is the dragon roll.
And then that's the...
I think this is the eel roll, or
yeah,
that's the eel roll.
No, that's the eel roll. I think. Let's check them.
And then I also got...
Let's check on the phone.
Alright, so that's the dragon roll. That's the mango roll. That's the eel. This is the spicy salmon.
Then all this right here is the...
And that's shrimp tempura. And
then this is the
Philadelphia.
Okay.
Okay? You ready? Go ahead. He's excited. I have soy sauce. They gave us soy sauce, but I have soy sauce, and then I also have sriracha sauce. Journey is not about that sriracha life. So, yeah, that's what we got. He mostly likes the Philadelphia roll. Well, most of the kids do. So, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
And I ordered from Hawaii, what is it called? Hawaii Kitchen out here. And this is the first time I'm ever trying them, so wish me luck. Let me grab some sriracha. So what do you want to talk about today? What do you want to talk about? You wanted to do the mukbang with me.
Yeah.
That was good. Let me try the dragon roll.
Is that spicy?
I don't know. Have to find
Try
out.
that red sauce that's on top of it.
And it fell apart.
Yummy.
You only like the Philadelphia one?
Is this the Mountain Dew thing?
It's shrimp tempura.
Is it spicy?
No. The only one that's spicy is the salmon roll. I think. This is spicy. Try this one. You don't like it? It's spicy. You don't like it? He's not a spicy kid. Unlike some of my other kids. Never mind. I actually like it. Different. Anybody else out there like what is it called? Eel sauce? I love eel sauce. You know? You're gonna stick with that one. You got this big one here.
Doesn't it taste good?
I'm about to find out.
Wait, is it spicy? Spicy. That's spicy. That's not. Don't say things not.
I'm not spicy.
Wait, I see that orange stuff that's in it.
I think that's salmon.
That's the orange stuff that was right there.
No, that's the sauce.
Mm.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick with the Philly down.
Okay, it's up to you. This is okay. I'm not a fan of it.
The smell.
Oh yeah, it's kind of strong. Oof.
Really?
Okay. It's gonna fall in there. Oh.
Is that the
I'm
spicy
already
thing?
getting full. Huh?
Is that the spicy thing?
No, that's just the eel sauce. That's not spicy. Yeah. Pretty good. You want to try this one? No?
Yeah. I'll try it.
Here. It was good. No. I'm going to try one of the Philadelphia's.
I feel like that is good.
Yeah. It's the favorite in the household. That and California roll.
That's split.
Yeah. I think it might not be shrimp. It might be crab.
But I still can't have that.
Oh, it's crab. You can have crab.
Again?
No, it's crab. That wasn't shrimp.
You sure?
His face, are you sure?
Crab to seafood.
Just stick to this one.
Wait, can I have crab?
Yeah, go ahead and eat it. I already ate the crab. Let me see. No, don't eat that part.
How come?
I think that was the breading. But it wasn't shrimp.
Okay. What's that weird stuff?
He don't know what to do with himself. I'm getting full. Are you getting full? Nope. I don't really have anything to talk about. How was school?
Good.
You gonna learn anything?
Yeah. About division.
What?
More division. More division.
Oh, more division. Okay.
The empire is disgusting. The avocado. That's great.
You don't like the avocado? I'm not complaining. I think it's good. The only thing I'm a little thrown off by this company or this restaurant is that their rice is purple and the seaweed
Ew, how they make the rice purple?
and like this. I don't know if that's even seaweed, but the rice is purple and the seaweed is black.
The regular one you got, that was fine.
What regular one? I got those from the grocery store.
Yeah.
Even when I got coffee. It's so yummy. You like it? This one I have to take. I took a huge chunk of a bite. I can't do that this time. It's gonna be in sections. Oh, and it fell apart.
I don't like that part. I'm scooping that part. Over here. That.
This is alright. I'm not a big fan of that one.
Of what?
This one.
Philadelphia. That one?
Yeah, that's the Mango Delight.
I might try that one.
It's just crab, salmon, and mango. And I think this is like celery or cucumber or something in it.
Wait, I'm not gonna have crab. Then how comes Dad had been telling me I couldn't have crab?
I don't know. We ain't gonna take no chances. That's why the Philadelphia has salmon. Yeah, that's cucumber. I don't think it's real crab. I think it's fake crab.
I could have fake crab.
Yeah, it's just regular fish.
This is good, but I can't have it.
Tastes good to you? I'm getting full.
I'm not.
You can keep eating. You got those last 2 rolls. It was really good.
It's only 3:13.
It's only 3:13.
Still haven't.
The only really good update I really have for you guys is I got my paperwork signed for my driver's license. Well, for my permit.
You're gonna be driving?
Yeah. Would that be cool? Yeah. I just haven't found the time to get my butt to PennDOT. Up here we call it PennDOT. I know other places it's called the DMV. But I just haven't had a chance to get out there to go do like all the paperwork and everything. But yeah, that's done. And I'm pretty much caught up on all my homework assignments, which is why I'm doing this. Otherwise, I would be doing homework right now, right? And he should technically be doing homework, but I'm being a naughty mommy. And yes, I'm drinking coffee. I don't know why. I just came home. It's raining and dreary outside today and gloomy. It's just one of those days. But I just came home and wanted sushi and coffee. That was just like what I wanted. And he's drinking water. Oh, excuse me.
At least I'm not drinking water because I couldn't have anything else.
Ain't nothing else to drink.
Coffee.
You're not getting no coffee, boy. My kids be trying it so many times. When you're thirsty. No. I'm getting full, guys. I'm not gonna finish all. I knew I wasn't gonna finish all this by myself, and I knew he wasn't gonna help me. So I intentionally bought a whole bunch of sushi so I can share with the other kids.
Now I'm full.
Now you're full?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting full myself. Ooh.
Oh, we still have an hour left. Or 30 minutes.
That's fine. You tapped out?
No. My belly's
You done? Yeah.
Yeah. Are you done?
I think I'm about done too. I bought a lot because I knew that the kids will come home and want something. So I'm not surprised that me and him couldn't finish it ourselves. I forgot today was Thursday and they had after school programs. So when they get home, they'll be excited to see some sushi. Right?
Except that last Philadelphia one.
Yeah. They'll eat the other stuff. Well, Justice might not. Yeah, he might. Because this is not spicy.
I still gonna try that one, or that one.
And it's not spicy. It's only spicy to me because I put it in the sriracha sauce. You might like that one.
I might try this one. You sure?
Yeah, it's just eel. Eel's like a fish. It's not like seafood. You like it? Yeah. Now you can say you actually ate eel.
What's that?
It's a fish. Just chew it. You said you like it. Just chew it. Yeah, go ahead. It's fine. If it tastes good, eat it. Yeah? It tastes good? Mm-hmm. But I think I'm full. He's full. So, yeah. You did good. So friends, I appreciate you guys joining us for this random mukbang. We didn't even last that long. We didn't last that long. Our stomach is, me and Journey are the ones that don't eat the most in the house. His plate and my plate are usually the smallest compared to everybody else's.
I thought I was gonna eat this all.
Right, me too. I thought I was gonna eat it all. Our eyes was bigger than our stomach, wasn't it? So, the rest of the kids are gonna eat, and we're just gonna end the mukbang here. I hope you guys enjoy this little random mukbang. Hopefully, we'll do some more. Maybe next time I do a mukbang, it will be with some crawfish. Sadly, he won't be able to join me because he's allergic to seafood. But hopefully in the future we'll do more mukbangs. I just been really busy with school, so.
Am I ever gonna get a shot that like those points that I'm not allergic to anything?
No, you're not gonna get those. Why do you want that?
So I can eat.
No, that's not what the shot's for.
What is it for?
To see if you're allergic to anything.
How can? And then
Yeah, the girls got it to see if they were allergic to something. But, ooey, pig. Alright, we're gonna end it here, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit the all so that you get all of our notifications whenever we upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!